Hey, this is Doug from Doug and Nikki here next to our pool cage, which our very lightweight screen had a pneumatic actuator which ceased to function. So I grabbed this one, measured it up, made sure it was all the right size. This is designed for lightweight screens like this. One thing to do, let's take it out, install it, and see if it actually works. Oh, look, it even faces in the right direction.
We already have the brackets, so you don't need to use them. Pin in.
But the kit does come with a complete set of brackets.
Right, if you need them.
Let's try it.
But it's nice if you don't. Let's not break that. Okay.
Ready?
Okay. Nice.
First shot. You want me to see if it works again?
Yeah, but you can set it so it's not as quick of a shut.
You can.
The last part. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, shut it. So a little less bang.
Slower?
Yeah, a little, just at the very end part.
Let's try this. I don't know what this adjustment does. Let's try this.
Let's not bang.
Honey?
Okay.
See what difference that makes.
Oh, no, we don't
Nope,
like that.
we've lost leverage. What are you doing?
Well, because you're pushing on the screen. Okay,
Right.
so now how do you adjust it?
I need to get a screwdriver. I'll be right back.
Okay. That's nice.
You like that?
Yep. So it's not a big slam. And how'd you do that? To show everybody.
So I did like a little half turn here in to make it more restrictive and slow, or you could go the other way to make it a little lighter and make it slam more.
Nice. Back in business.
Back in business, 5 minutes, which means I got to give it a 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. Hope that was helpful.